Hi, I'm Dave, a video tag called Dave's Wildlife. On this video is the few birds that I got in my garden yesterday. There's a few shots of the robin, the blue tit, the great tit and the starlings that really love the old coconut feeder. Yeah, this is a starling that came back into my garden and eating on this coconut feeder. Seems to really like it. Yeah, this robin sits on this feeder, and I think he thinks it's a swing. He just swinging side to side all the time. It's nice to see the goldfinches back on the feeders with the sunflower hearts. They seem to like them very well. If you like this video, can you please like and subscribe? I'm trying to get a few more subscribers, so if you can like and subscribe, maybe other people will too. Thank you very much.